guys, I'm Angelvin Pinatino from BSIT2B. So today guys, I will show you my continuation of website which is login form, like registration and login form. So nag-register lang tayo ng account. Username, Ken, email address, password. Then ayun, naka-register na tayo. Nag-login lang tayo guys. Then ito yung profile page, the login duration, login time, key features, simple post, contact, which is ito, naglagay lang ako ng email, phone, LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, X location. Then sample output, then settings. So ayun guys. Then ito yung mga codes ko. The register, the login, dashboard, home, about, contact, sample, settings, then the style, then yung sa logout.js.